So Kelly, I'm hanging out with Jay Vincent.
What's
If you guys
up?
don't know, this is his Jay Dog, is his stage name. This is gonna be Jay's ride along with us. And so we're gonna ask Jay some questions. Jay has no idea what these questions are gonna be. We're gonna ask him anyway. So Amanda, what's question number one you have for Jay?
Okay, what's the process behind identifying relevant metrics for a wildlife control business?
Holy cow. That's a loaded question. You expect me to answer that in less than an hour? Well, first you need to have a good software to be able to export the metrics. I would say that would be a good place to start, but me personally, I like to make sure that every service is profitable. So to me, that's the most important part about metrics, is to kind of take a look at that. And we used to have flat rate pricing, and it really kind of owned us when it came to like trapping programs, pest control, stuff like that. So the way that we kind of organized our metrics was to try to value it on a time level, on a production level, and on a technicality level of the level of how technical the job is. And so that's pretty much how we do our metrics and how we build value through it, because it's really hard to build value through charging flat rates, because a lot of times, you'll find that you run metrics on a $589 trapping job that you went to 10 times, and you want to like go cry yourself to sleep because you charged $589 to go 10 times. So that's kind of would be my answer, is build it on value of time instead of per project flat rate, and that's pretty much where we got our metrics from.